This is the most important turning point for Tesla stock. We are approaching a powerful support zone which has everything to define the next major price trend. So as always, let's do our meticulous analysis over here and try to figure out what's going on. So welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, retail trader. Very nice to see you guys over here, and it is interesting to see that Tesla dropped it just to reach the first support level of this support zone, the 50-period moving average, this blue line over here, and apparently this key point is acting as a support level because Tesla is trying to bounce today. It is making a bullish reaction. It is not an incredible, great, amazing bullish reaction, but we do see a bullish candlestick pattern today, going up 0.40% roughly the moment I'm recording this video. It is not much, but it is something, okay? And this is expected, right? Because we are approaching the most important turning point for Tesla stock over here. If Tesla actually reacts, if Tesla actually confirms a bottom signal around this area, I do believe that we're gonna see the next major bullish leg. However, if Tesla loses this triple support level made by the way, the 50-period moving average, the 200-period moving average, and the $230 support level over here, this green line over here. If Tesla manages to lose this triple support level, which in theory is not supposed to be that easy, if Tesla actually loses this support zone, then okay, then we are gonna reverse the bullish sentiment, mid-term speaking, and we are gonna seek much lower levels. Right now, we can find more clues on the indices. If we take a look at SPY, for instance, SPY is also trying to react just around its first support level, the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average over here. We just reached this support level, and we are struggling over here. Clearly, SPY is struggling around this moving average over here, making some reactions. It is trying to react, all right, but it is quite problematic to see such huge shadows above the candlestick's bodies over here. So this is quite problematic. We don't see any meaningful bullish reaction. We don't see any bottom signal triggered. So SPY, although SPY is still bullish, it is still in a bull trend. In the lack of bullish reactions, it could easily drop to lower levels. If we take a look at the weekly chart, the situation gets even more dramatic because we almost reached the all-time high over here last week, right? And right now, today, we are losing last week's low. We are losing December 18th week's low as well. So we are losing many support levels. We are rejecting the previous two bullish candlestick patterns over here. This is very problematic price action wise because this suggests that SPY is trying to correct on the weekly chart. And as far as I know, any correction to the $459.44 would be totally plausible and even expected and even desirable. If you wanna buy SPY, if you are just waiting for an opportunity, this support level 459 is the key point you wanna watch from here. If we reach this key point and if we see a bullish reaction on the weekly chart around this area, that's gonna be a huge buy signal, huge buy signal. Now, QQQ is also struggling a lot. However, QQQ lost the 21 EMA. QQQ lost many support levels, the 21 EMA, the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement, and it is losing the 50% retracement as well, meaning we are very weak. Right now, we are not only weak, but it is quite dangerous to see such reaction right after we did a new record high, right when we reached this resistance level over here made by this green line at 408. So that's quite problematic for tech stocks, meaning our favorite stocks like Tesla and Nvidia could easily correct to lower levels. Of course, Nvidia is a true monster. Apparently, Nvidia can't drop for nothing. We are going up 2.5% right now, clearly trying to seek the all-time high again. Honestly, as a swing trader, I would love to see Nvidia correcting more, just like Tesla is trying to do right now. I would love to see that. As a long-term investor, I'm very happy Nvidia is exploding, right? I do believe that Nvidia it is almost a 5x stock for me, right? So because I invested at it in 2020, so a 3 years ago, roughly 4 years ago. So it is an amazing stock to invest, but as a swing trader, I would love to see a sharper correction because, well, if we see a sharper correction, Nvidia will trade at a discounted price near a support level, meaning the risk-reward ratio will be more attractive, and it would trigger a crystal clear buy signal. So I would love to see more correction. I would love to see Nvidia doing what Tesla is doing right now, trying to approach its next support level, $230, which is right around this triple support level. Of course, we still see some dangerous signals of weakness over here, but in the end, if we stay calm, if we pay attention to what the price and the market is telling us over here, I do believe we can nail a very good movement. My dear friends, you shall never panic or feel stressed or any kind of negative emotions over here, because this is the market. We can't control the market. We can only control ourselves. And honestly, allow me to be very sincere with you guys over here, because I am very happy. Exactly 3 years ago, I started the 5% project with the intention of showing that it is possible to make consistent, above the market gains as long as you use a good strategy and have discipline. Always have discipline. Now, while the S&P index is up 27% since then, the project's profitability has been almost 90%. 90%. We are the living proof that it is possible to make consistent gains with our swing trading method over the long term. Our track record is public, and to celebrate our anniversary, we are offering 25% discount to anyone who joins the 5% project this weekend, and this weekend only. The discount will also apply to renewals, meaning it will last forever for those who join now. And the Telegram channel is included, by the way. So if it is up to me, I will never leave a price this low again. Given the value we delivered to our subscribers, the amazing performance we had in 3 years, this is crazy. So hurry and secure your place among the top 5%. Link in the description or in the fixed comment. I don't know, I don't care too much, so just join us over there. Now, if we calmly wait for a crystal clear opportunity, I do believe we can nail a very good movement in Tesla stock over here, regardless if this movement is gonna be upwards or downwards. As I told you guys, I would be very happy to see Tesla correcting even more, because this means an even more discounted price. But it all depends on how it is going to react around this support level over here. This support level is the most important turning point. Well, Nathan, what if we lose this support level? What if Tesla loses this triple support level over here? In theory, we should retest its next support level, which is around $206 over here. Maybe we could even close this little gap over here at 205.99. So yes, 206 is the next meaningful support level in Tesla stock. We do see some alarming signals over here. We see this divergence between price and RSI. While the RSI was clearly making lower highs, lower lows, the price was still making higher highs, higher lows. Now we are crashing. Now we are correcting sharply. What's more, the volume is very low. It is below the average, at least. You may say, oh, but Nathan, this is because it's new year, right? We just started 2024, so it's normal to see such low volume. Well, perhaps, but it is quite unsettling to see the similarity to this movement over here. In July this year, while Tesla was up, we saw a very strong divergence between price and RSI. The volume dropped dramatically over here, and Tesla dropped from $300 to $200 again. So this is a quite quite unsettling similarity, all right? So we should pay attention to this. Of course, this is just a theory. This is just an hypothesis, right? So far, we don't know how Tesla is going to react around this turning point. If we see a bottom signal, great. Amazing. Tesla is gonna fly, it is gonna explode. Maybe we're gonna reach the $300 next, because this is a quite likely scenario, considering that on the weekly chart, we broke this descending channel's ceiling over here. We are still above the 21 EMA, so far so good. Maybe if we see a meaningful bullish reaction confirming a bottom signal over here, we're gonna reach the next long-term resistance level, $300. But if we lose the support level, 206, I do believe that 206 is our next meaningful support level. It all depends on how we're gonna react from here, so consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber yet, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla, Nvidia, SPY, QQQ, etc. So join the Finance Hydra channel and join the top 5% project. They know that only 10% of traders can make money, while only 5% can actually beat the market. So join the top 5% project. We do have a very special discount for you. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys next week.